you better start to move your feet to the rockinest, rock steady beat of madness.
Hey, that's not my bike. Hello guys, it's Ali here. Right now I want to show you what we can do to refurbish the screen. Right now, this is not my bike, this is my wife's bike. She got this 2012 Ducati 848 Street Fighter. Yeah, as you can see, the screen is a bit yellowish brown. It looks old. So let's see if we can try and refurbish it and make it look good. Here's the screen now, how it looks, and with the dash on. Okay, that's how it looks. Let's see how it looks after I do my thing. Okay, hello guys. First we wash it. Okay, nice and wet. I'm gonna wash off that piece of bird shit right there. Yeah, man, that is just crusty. Oh, almost there. Nice. Next, we spray some. I have some Binder shampoo over here. So, next, we take the sponge. Take the soft side, we scrub it. This bike needs a wash anyway. Oh, look at that. Nasty. Rinse all the soap off. Sorry if it's a bit shaky because I'm doing it one-handed. Just take a piece of rag and wipe it dry. Okay guys, can you spot something out with the screen? Okay, let me just tell you guys, at this side of the screen I did just one quick polish. Using the polish I'm going to show you in a bit. I guess there's a bit of difference around this side. Okay, we shall continue and polish the full screen. Okay, this is the polish that I'm using. Just dab it all over and then you start swirling in circles. I think I applied a bit too much over here, but you'll see the results afterwards. After you're done polishing, make sure you just spray, clean all the polishing agent, what do you call it? Polishing paste off of the screen as much as you can, and then just give it a wash with some soap just to make sure everything is gone. Okay, next I'm just gonna size up the screen protector that I'm gonna put. It's gonna fit in quite. I have to tuck it in the carbon a bit to make it fit, but it probably still can fit. So yeah, you can see, yeah, just barely. Wipe it. Make sure we get all the dust and water droplets out. Do that. I don't see any dust coming out because we clean it quite good multiple times, but this is just to make sure everything is out. Okay, and now you're done. Thanks for watching. Next up, spray water on it. So I shall carefully put it on. Try to get all the air bubbles out as you press it down. the tricky part. Okay, once you're done, you're happy with it, no more bubbles, pull out this piece. Oh no, there's a bubble right there. Okay, I can just pull off this piece first, the front piece. And we try and squeeze out the remaining bubbles. So guys, I forgot to end the video after I finished pasting the screen protector. So right now I'm making it. It's night time already, but we're at a well lit place, so might as well. As you can see, here's a before over here, and here's the after. So yeah, there's an anti-glare film on there, and yeah, it looks so much more cleaner. Let's switch it on and see. Alright, thank you for watching. Here's a quick startup. May I?
Oh, you wanna do it?
Okay, no, you do it. It's yours.